No, welcome. We will start the process by working in the latest model with ChatGPT, and we're not going to use a structured prompt. For the sake of this course, we're going to start with an unstructured prompt, and we're going to iterate. So we're going to write in our unstructured prompt, and we're going to ask for a specific element. What we are going to do is we are going to ask ChatGPT if it understands the question and to outline step by step. Again, this is not a full-blown tutorial on prompt engineering. We're going to use an unstructured prompt, and we're going to request that ChatGPT give us the output based on our query. In the most recent model of ChatGPT, there's an element called canvas, and you're going to see that on the left side. That basically means that we can work with this text on the left side, even though we're making changes to the broader text on the right side. Now, this is an element that is part of the ChatGPT Plus account. It has not yet been rolled out to the free account. There are plans at some point for it to be rolled out to free accounts on a limited basis. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste the output, and the cut and paste is 848 words. Prompt did ask for 600 plus, and this is what ChatGPT has returned. You now have the first step in the basis of comparison, and we'll pick it up in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.